Hey everybody, it's Jen from Jen Plans, and I'm really excited about this unboxing today. I have had the chance to meet several times the Kitlife girls, Jessica, Jenny, and Liz. They're super fun. They're really fun. They're funny. They're totally put together. If you've ever seen them speak, they're just like very polished and they make you want to do all the right things. They're great. And so I've gotten to meet them a few times. They're so nice. And they have some beautiful stuff, and they reached out to me and asked if they could shoot me over a daily, which I think all of their planners right now are on sale. So I'll link in the description of the video a bunch of their planners. But I use a daily for my work, and I don't share it a lot, obviously, because it's work information there. I try to share as much as I can, but I'm always on the lookout to kind of optimize what I'm doing, and I like trying out new things. So I said, of course, I would love to see one because I've never had a Kitlife planner before. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna unbox with you. I have not opened this yet, so we'll do it together. I'm so excited. Do they do this in everyone? This is so fun. I don't know if they do, but I love it. This is so cute. You're one in a million. I love that. This is so, didn't I tell you they were fun? They're so fun, and they're really, really nice. I got to sit next to them at a table, and they were just so fun. Hey, this is so cute. Okay, so it looks like it comes in a bag, which is really nice so that it doesn't get bobbled around in there. And it's bubble wrapped. They don't mess around, you guys. Ooh, okay. So it looks like, okay, I'm gonna explain the way this feels to you because it feels very protected. Okay, so the coil is very sturdy. What's this? This is cool. Sorry, I've never seen one of these in person, so I'm gonna take a little bit of time. 2018, so I wonder, is this a calendar year planner? It looks like the cover goes a little bit like, oh, nice. That's very cool. Okay, so the cover keeps those tabs protected. All right, keeping it together. That's what KIT stands for, by the way. It took me a while to realize that. I was like, oh, Kitlife, keeping it together. Life is more than a to-do list. I love that. Oh, this is cool. So it's like a bookmark and a little pocket. So you can keep like, you know what I would keep in here? Well, this isn't work related and I use my daily for work, but I would keep, like when you go shopping and you get like the cash rewards to like use next time. I don't always use them because sometimes I feel like it traps me, but I always forget when they're good. So I would just probably keep them in here. Okay, so I've already decided how to use that. And okay, it looks like you get an annual overview, 2018, 2019. And this planner runs, okay, so this is calendar year. So we're going from January to December. So this will give you this year and next year, which is so helpful. If you're using this for personal stuff, just to know when things are coming up and what the future dates are and what days certain dates fall on, especially if you're planning, trips or if you have kids in school. But for me, for work, for deadlines, or for big projects, that's especially helpful. Occasions to celebrate. Oh, I love this too. Okay, so like milestones or birthdays or weddings or anniversaries could go there. This is a substantial, I mean, any daily has to be. This is a substantial planner. There are a lot of things. Stand tall. I love this. It's kind of a muted design. Like it's really beautiful. The colors are really nice, but it's not like too harsh. I like it. It's very calming. Quarterly check-in. Ooh, this is smart. New Year's resolutions. I'm loving. I'm so grateful for the quarter ahead. My goals are personal inventory, excited to experience, reading list, keep connected. Health. This is really like a holistic, maybe I could use this for more than just work. This is awesome. Okay, so you have a notes page, and then you have the first day of the month, self-care suggestions, icing on the cake, the best time to buy, feel the love, celebrate and educate, snail mail challenge. So this is kind of like a guided, planner. Oh, nice. This is thicker than vellum, but not quite as thick as like a fully laminated, like it's very flexible to tab you into the next month. So January. Okay, then you have your monthly view. It looks like they have all of the important dates already on the monthly view, and then you get a section for January goals. I use mine for just, you know, big monthly to-dos, things that need to be done. And then of course you get the previous month and the following month. And then here we go. This is the daily. Okay, so let me hold this up. Okay, so I'll flip this all the way around. And this is what the day looks like. So we have January 1st, to-dos at the top. So many boxes. I use the to-dos for a daily more than I use the schedule. I don't have a ton of meetings. This is really where I do the bulk of my, like, I need places for notes, so that's awesome. The big three. I'm really bad at this. I'm trying to get better at this. This is actually gonna do a good job holding me accountable of the big three things that I need to get done, because it's easier to kind of do like the smaller things that aren't as hard or don't take as much time. But I need to be better at focusing on the big three. Wellness and gratitude. I love that those are there. And then a little quote at the bottom. I wonder, is this what every day? I'm guessing this is what every day looks like. So let's go ahead and jump through and we can see together. Yes, so we have, this is all of, let's see what a weekend looks like. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Ah, okay, so that was a weekday that I just lifted up. This is how they do the weekend. Saturday, January 6th, to-dos. Sunday, January 7th. This is great because I work a little bit on the weekends if I need to peek at the week, but I don't have, like, you know, usually meetings on weekends, which is great just to have like a space for to-dos. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, peek at the week. I love that, a peek at the week. I need a peek at the week. This is great. So you can kind of get a jump on what you're doing the following week. Especially because you don't have, okay, this is great because you don't have a weekly view, because obviously it's a daily planner. So it's great actually to have the whole week in one place. Maybe that would be a good place for a bookmark so you can see the week. And then it goes back into the daily. So let's see, does it just go all the way to the last day? Yep, just to the last day in January. And then you get your fresh month with the, this, I don't know what to call this, this little like divider tab page, and then into February. And it looks like these are all different each month. So they have self-care suggestions, icing on the cake, like a little bit of extra info for this time of year, the best time to buy. So like January, they had gift cards. This one, Broadway. This is so, let's take February. Let's just go to New York. It sounds like I would like to do that. Feel the love, celebrate and educate, snail mail challenge. I love this. This is a really beautiful planner. Are these colors different? Okay, so it looks like January has like the mellow yellow. February goes into a bit of pink. March, oh, doodle break. Yes, please. That's cool. So you could do notes or doodle. Wait, what is it before February? Okay, so this is the day. Is there one back here? Or does it go into the month? Okay, that one goes into the month. This one has a doodle break. Are these all different? This is really fun. That's a doodle break for April. May jumps right in. Let's be honest. If we have kids in school, we are jumping right into May. Whether or not we want to. It's the end of the school year. June, freedom. July, another doodle break. This is so cute. August, September. There are quotes on the bottom of all of these. They're really cute. I know I'm saying cute. It's a really cute planner. Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Love that that's in there. December. Oh, a gift list. Nice. This is smart. This would be another good place to put like a little sticker tab so that you can refer to this throughout the year. I'm always so bad at, I need to do a better job at keeping track of gifts like way ahead of time. you know, because you think of things throughout the year. This is a great place to write those down. November, then into December. So of course then the monthly, and then you have all your other dailies. This is like a nice wintry color scheme. So what happens at the end? Okay, so then we have December 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. Okay, then we have this little extra section in the back. What are you about? Monthly budget. Well, you know I love that. How many of these do you get? Oh, hello, January. Probably you get 12 of them. That's probably how many you get. January monthly budget actual notes. This is like a very complete all-in-one. Oh, there's like wellness stuff and budget stuff and schedule stuff and to-do list stuff. Kitlife, I'm digging it. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I love this. Kitlife girls, I did not know you had budget stuff in here. This is awesome. I'm so excited that I know this. This is great. So this looks like it wraps up the planner, and then you have this back page, which is like the same, I don't know what it's called. It's like the same, what is this? Like plasticky, hard, protective cover, but it's really, 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 really flexible. Like this is not, like you can put this in a bag. Oh, it's pretty from the top too. I love this. I'm so excited to start using this. I've kind of been craving more space for to-dos, and this is gonna be awesome. So I will, you know, I'll try my best to share as much as I can. Like I said before, you know, I use it daily for work, and so I can't always share snapshots of how I'm using it because I have information that, you know, of course is more private, but I would love to try and figure out a way to like cover up that stuff and still share how I'm using it, because I do love using a paper planner for work. So yeah, I will link all of their stuff here in the description of the video. I know that they're having, let's see, it's March right now. It's mid-March as I'm filming this, and I know they have a sale going on right now. So check out their page if you want to see those deals. It looks like it's different amounts based on what kind of layout, if it's daily or monthly or weekly, but this is so fun. Kitlife girls, thank you friends for sending this to me. I love it. I can't wait to use it, and I need to try and figure out how to start sharing pictures of this. So thank you so much for sending this to me. If you guys have questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I will do my best to answer them, being a new Kitlife planner user. But of course they're the experts, and so I'll link their social media in the description as well. So thank you so much for watching. Kitlife team, thank you so much for sending this to me, and I hope I get to see you ladies soon. You are so, so fun. And Orlando is not that far away from Atlanta, which is where I am. So I don't know, maybe a visit sometime. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.